With the advent of 5G communication, the application of high-tech communication technology, such as city IoT and cooperative driverless cars, are developing rapidly in the field of smart city construction, requiring carriers for information collection, dissemination, and transmission. HwaCom Systems' 5G Smart Pole solution focuses on overall intelligence in roads and networks by full utilization on advanced technologies like IoT, cloud services, edge computing, artificial intelligence, and big data. The integrated application of traffic signal control, tech enforcement, traffic flow analysis, urban lighting, environmental sensing, safety monitoring, information dissemination, emergency rescue, renewable energy is brought into reality, achieving multi-pole integration, application convergence, and data aggregation for roads, enhancing the management efficiency, road capacity, and service levels on roads. 5G micro-base stations and Wi-Fi hotspots. The adoption of 5G network technology requires numerous micro-base stations to improve signal coverage and transmission quality. Smart poles serve as the ideal public facility for deploying micro-base stations to provide 5G LTE or Wi-Fi service. Additionally, deploying 5G micro-base stations is also foundational to self-driving car technology. By placing micro-base stations on smart poles along roads, a stable high-speed 5G transmission network can be constructed, providing essential support for the technology development of autonomous vehicles. Traffic and pedestrian flow analysis, as well as tech enforcement, adopted high-definition spherical cameras and traffic monitoring devices like speed radars to conduct statistical analysis of road traffic flow. The statistical analysis includes vehicle type counts, traffic flow direction settings, road lane attribute settings, and turning attribute settings. The traffic data will then be aggregated onto a platform. Simultaneously, crowd flow within specific areas can be statistically analyzed through monitoring cameras. Head count analysis, queue warnings, electronic fencing, restricted area warnings, and stay duration warnings are monitored to strengthen city security. Additionally, it combines AI deep learning for road traffic violation identification, including wrong-way driving, illegal parking, crossing double yellow or double white lines, not driving in designated lanes, and violations of signal-regulated turns, making tech enforcement more efficient. Streetlight monitoring and power-saving analysis is applied through systematic data management, control, and dispatch. It can display total streetlights, illumination brightness, connection status, abnormalities, power consumptions, and etc. By using wireless communication, real-time streetlight operational status can be obtained. It intelligently diagnoses defective streetlights and automatically report repairs, and enables real-time or scheduled on-off and brightness control of streetlights to enhance efficiency of energy usage and reduce power consumption to further achieve the benefits of energy saving. Emergency call-outs and broadcast warnings. When people encounter sudden emergencies, you can hit the emergency call button on the smart pole to get help from the back-end management unit, allowing people in need to receive immediate assistance. This gives a sense of security to people and becomes a strong support for smart cities development. Moreover, when people are seeking assistance, they can directly talk to back-end staff via voice communication. Simultaneously, the back-end personnel can also see from the camera to understand the environment on the spot. When an emergency disaster occurs, through the broadcasting speaker, warnings can be broadcasted to guide people for evacuation and shelter. Or when illegal parking situations occur, broadcast warnings can also be used for the removal of vehicles. Media information releases and message broadcast. Digital billboard is one of the value-added services of smart poles. Through digital billboards, real-time message broadcasts can be implemented for weather the latest policy updates, event information, business advertisements, and product marketing promotions. It can also provide citizens with weather information such as air quality, road conditions, and other relevant information. You can also inquire about bus schedules, arrival times, and the number of nearby parking spaces, enabling people to access practical information anytime and anywhere. Environmental climate value monitoring and early warnings. Through environmental monitoring equipment for real-time monitoring of environmental data and conduct analysis of the collected data. Once abnormal environmental monitoring is detected, the system will issue alerts through the city's release platform in real time to maintain the living quality of people. Simultaneously, central weather, environmental protection receive data for monitoring and analysis. The basic weather data and pollution source analysis are provided, helping research institutes to analyze the source of pollution and thus to contribute to the sustainable operation of smart cities. Solar and wind power generation and energy storage. In order to promote the circular use of renewable energy, smart poles adopt solar and wind power generation methods and store converted power in storage batteries. During nighttime or power outages, storage batteries can supply power to streetlights and other attached devices. In addition, with the charge and discharge controllers, the energy-saving function can be performed with energy storage batteries to extend the lifespan of storage batteries and to achieve better energy utilization. Electric vehicle charging and toll collecting systems. With the rising popularity of electric vehicles, the penetration rate of charging equipment remains insufficient. When drivers cannot find a charging station nearby and urgently need to charge, the smart pole with the charging station function equipped can provide vehicle owners with emergency charging. In the design aspect of the smart pole body, through the concept of functional modularization and continual updates and improvement on the material selection of the pole body, different pole parts are designed with a modularized design that can adjust according to different environments. Compared to traditional method with one-piece tooling of the pole, this design allows flexible combinations based on different requirements. It only requires replacing some parts to add equipment without the need to change the entire pole. Moreover, large cranes are not required for on-site construction, which reduces construction costs and minimizes traffic impact. In response to Taiwan's rainy and humid climate, the smart pole box adopts a design with waterproof drainage board to prevent rain or moisture from leaking into the cabinet and further to protect the main equipment stored inside the cabinet. There are 8 C-shaped steel grooves embedded within the main pole, which can be freely adjustable in height to accommodate various cable installation needs without being exposed. It can be used in street signs, pedestrian traffic lights, signal boards, cameras, LED panels, and other applications. The main pole has 4-way attached rod for signals, which can be freely positioned in 4 directions for signal light poles. It is equipped with cameras, e-tag, RSU antennas, etc. Main pole styled arms. Each set of arms provides 4 positions for equipment installation, such as cameras, air boxes, noise meters, Wi-Fi APs, etc. Up to 4 streetlights can be set at the top of the main pole according to site's needs. The antenna groove cover on top of the main pole is made of acrylic material in different colors and can set up LED decorative lights. It can also be replaced with larger base accessories or integrate with 5G small cell. HwaCom system 5G smart pole planning services 4 major domains, namely design planning, system integration, building construction, and operation services. Based on diverse customer needs, the design planning includes smart lighting, 5G microstations, Wi-Fi hotspots, environmental sensors, video analysis and monitoring, digital signboards, emergency assistance, energy storage and charging systems, etc. The system integration solution selects the most appropriate hardware and software system equipment and cooperates with a dedicated technical research team. The construction plan possesses a construction team of smart pole and a fleet of engineering vehicles and equipment. The team are familiar with the responsibilities of relevant government units and administrative procedures. The Operation Service Solution provides 9 distributed locations across Taiwan, with real-time support services available locally. Educational training and service promotion are also included, with a 24-hour technical consultation window at your service, which is capable of immediate response. HwaCom Systems 5G smart poles is not only a lightning infrastructure, but an integrated carrier with a multifunctional system, capable of achieving unified city maintenance. 5G smart poles accomplish the integration of infrastructure data and path optimization from the ground up, guiding cities towards significant advancements in smart transportation for the future.